Welcome to Dominica, the Nature Isle, the most pristine, untouched island in the Caribbean. The national motto is Après bon Dieu c'est la terre, which means after God is the earth. It's easy to live alongside nature here, considering the majority of the island consists of mountainous, dense rainforest. This tropical land hosts 3 national parks, 3 marine reserves, and sparkling black sand coasts resulting from volcanic activity, creating such fertile soils and lush flora. Dominica is home to the only remaining community of Caribs, which are descendants of original South Americans, known here as the Kalinago. The Carib territory covers over 3,000 acres along the eastern coast. They are well known for their intricate, unique craftworks, their indigenous cultural heritage still practiced today, and the echoes of colonial battles with Christopher Columbus, the French, and the English. Before these invasions took place, the island was called Waiti Kubuli, meaning tall is her body. Montwapiton National Park, meaning Mountain of 3 Peaks, has become the only World Heritage Site in the Eastern Caribbean. From this mountain comes the breathtaking Emerald Pool and stunning Trafalgar Falls. The rivers of Montwapiton is so pure, a brand of bottled water has sprung from its springs. This island is said to have a different river to discover every day of the year. Titu Gorge and Indian River were only a few of Dominica's key locations used in parts 2 and 3 of the Disney blockbuster trilogy, Pirates of the Caribbean. The guides of Dominica are informative and entertaining, like on this Indian River tour. The Cabarets Marine Reserve is surrounded by the historical Fort Shirley and Cabarets Garrison. Soufriere Scott's Head Marine Reserve reveals its bountiful reefs while diving over hydrothermal vents as if one was swimming in champagne. In order to reach the peak of Scott's Head, one must journey across the Kashakru Peninsula. And if this isn't enough, Dominica was ranked 4th happiest country in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Experience it for yourself. Dominica, the Nature Isle.